today we're going to be coating the Seeker Bride VIOS III seats with Gyeon Fabric Coat. And just like the name says, it gives the fabric a coating. Similar to ceramic coating your car, it'll give it water repellency where the water just beads off. It'll make it easier to clean, it'll give it UV protection. And as always with coatings, you want to prep the surface really well by cleaning it thoroughly. You can use some Gyeon fabric cleaner if you've got to get out a stain, or otherwise I would just take a brush to it, or pressurized air, or a vacuum. You don't want to get this product on any surface that isn't cloth. I'm thinking put tape right underneath the cloth, and then I have some window protector film, I'll put that on. So for these lower hardness grommets, I ended up just covering it with tape. They're plastic, so I don't want to ruin them and possibly break clips when I remove them, so I just taped it up. I'll just be real careful. So the shoulder bolsters on these actually have Alcantara, so I went ahead and taped them up because Gyeon told me not to get the fabric coat on Alcantara. So you want to spray an even coat. And then it says just rub it in with your hands. So this is the smaller 120 milliliter bottle, and I was able to coat the entire seat, and it'll coat 2 seats perfectly fine with this small bottle. But if you want to do multiple coats, I recommend getting the larger bottle. All right guys, so it's been 24 hours. Let's see how it does with one coating. I've got a cup of water here. Let's put this second coat on. So the second coating should be dried now. Give it a test. Now that it's protected with the sealant, it's going to be a lot easier to clean from now on. And it's UV protected now against fading from the sun. So again, with all the other sealants, I've never done this before. This is my first time doing a fabric coating. And I just want to show you guys like how easy it is. So keep it protected, use fabric coat, and you'll thank me later.